Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about the CS6302 course project, the Application Lifecycle Management course. So the requirement was to discuss any topic from the course according to your understanding. So these are the topics that was on the module. Then I will discuss with working with this. So first, the course application lifecycle management. So what is the application lifecycle management? So basically, there's a roadmap for the application lifecycle management (ALM). So these are the specifying the release, specifying the requirement, plan tests, execute tests, and track defects. So uh, I will discuss about each topic what briefly for each what does this mean. So we will have a better understanding of the life cycle for the application. So first, specifying release. For example, uh, you have a request from a user for a bug or fix. So once they reported it, so you should determine that there will be a release or implementation date for that one. So what if there are two more requests? So you should have different release date or implementation date for those releases. So those are the specifying release. So requirement. So what's the user reported? For example, uh, trouble in lagging page or lagging UI, want cosmetic changes or anything functionality. So those are the requirements. Plan test. So QA will do a planning while the developers are coding the fix or doing the new page. So they will have list of tests they should plan when they execute the test. So upon execution, they will do all the cycle of the testing. Then after that, they will track defects. So another example for this is the new developed application. For example, we have a booking system. So with each page, each functionality should be separated to a release. So today I'm going to discuss about the specifying the releases. So in the module example, we have the online banking and credit card application. So they, as the module discussed, they have different releases. For example, this one, they have the, this is release done already. So application is already built. So possible this release tends about adding, no, fixing uh, the no, possible fixing the additional page or fixing a bug on the page that they see. Then 10.5 is a new features. So it will be possible that additional info page. So this is the module release example. I have an example from our previous company. So we have a booking, resort booking application for Disney. So our uh, application development consists of different releases. So release one, two, three. So first, uh, the first requirement was for the login page. So as I said, we should specify when is the target date, implementation date for release one, which is the login page. Then release two for the landing page, which is home page. So they should the PL will create a release to target date also. Then the booking page, the actual key in page where you will key in the name, the dates you want to stay, uh, so choosing which room, etc. So the QA team will create a cycle for each release. So the new features, of course, since it's new development, everything will be new feature. So they will have also integrated system testing. So the performance testing, so I think the regression testing, then you user acceptance testing, so the UAT. So uh, they will list down all of the cycle for each release. So how do we do this? We have this application called HP application like cycle management or ALM. So this one's I need to purchase. So but to demonstrate how you will use the ALM, it's also included in the module. So the ALM has the release, creation of releases under the management uh, tab, management nab. So when you click release, select the releases. A dialog will prompt stating your release. So you have the start date and then the end date. So when you click OK, it will create the release here. So you can add more releases. Now, as I said, the QA will create a cycle for their own testing, for their testing. So which cycle to test. So you can use the ALM by selecting this icon to create a cycle. So a dialog will prompt asking for your what cycle do you have. So you create the regression testing from this date up to this date. Then you will have this regression progress. So as I said, the release, specifying a release is important because you need to have an plan implementation of when you should target each part of your application. It cannot be that uh, you will just build this page and build this page and build this page, then without planning, you will arrive at nothing. So, question for the releases. Can the release overlap? No. You should finish first your target date for your release one before you proceed to your release two. Uh, can cycle overlap? Yes, can. You can do the cycle two testing. You can do cycle one testing. We can do cycle three testing without worrying which comes first. As long as the developer already finish their requirement provided to you. So that's it for the application lifecycle management. This is Christopher John Dumose. Thank you.